As you have seen on the news, bullying is a big problem, but the biggest problem are the schools. The moment a parent tries to get involved and make the school aware of what is happening to their children, some schools, as the St. Bernadette's Primary Catholic School in Harrow, where my daughters go to, take a bullying approach to the problem themselves by trying not only to belittle the parent, but to also make that parent's life a misery. A concerned parent is a problematic parent. Therefore, the school went through great lengths to destroy mine and my child's life by turning the tables around. I'm complaining about my daughter being bullied. They report me to the social services. With no supporting evidence, of course my case was passed on. But that only made the school more malicious and revengeful, trying now by their attitude to force me to take my child out of their school. They've done many things that by any standards are wrong. They tested my daughter academically outside her classroom by herself and without my permission or knowledge. They made her translate for foreign kids in her playtime, once again without my permission. Her teacher never has time for my daughter and does not answer any questions my daughter might have in the classroom. And they certainly take no notice of her being bullied, even when she goes to the teachers and report it. She is told, "I don't have time now, Ayanali. Sort out your own problems." That's the answer a 6-year-old is getting as a response to her asking for help. This is inadmissible, and the schools have to be held accountable for their actions like anyone else in this country, and I, for one, will not stop until that is achieved. Thank you for listening.